Good evening. I am Hemant, and now I am going to speak about the benefits of attending workshops. Workshops are short learning sessions where the key ideas are specific problems concentrated. Knowledge is delivered for the participants. So, by attending workshops, the knowledge that we have gained is organized in our mind, and it will help us to uh, better keep the knowledge in a better sense. So, by attending these workshops, the participants get the key skills and the awareness sessions, which are a type of workshops, uh, engages the participants to be uh, aware of the things that exists in our society. So the workshops are very helpful for the participants in making awareness sessions specifically. So thanks for listening.